Hello, everybody. I'm going to share with you how to do your after quiz activity. So to start the maze, you need to solve each problem. You need to begin at the start, and if you follow the correct path, you should end at the finish. So I'm going to go ahead and start with my first problem. I have 7.7. Let me do a different color. Okay. 7 and 7/10 times 3 and 2/10. All right, so remember from our lesson that we are just going to first multiply like normal and ignore the decimal. So 2 times 7 is 14. I'm going to carry the 1. 2 times 7 is 14 plus 1 is 15. Now that I've multiplied by the 2, I'm going to add a 0 and now multiply by the 3. 3 times 7 is 21. Carry the 2. 3 times 7 is 21 plus 2 is 23. Now I can add those together. So I have 2,464, but I know that is not the answer yet because I haven't accounted for how many decimal places I have. So looking at these two, I have one decimal place with the 7 and one decimal place with the 2. So I have 2 decimal places total. That means I need 2 decimal places total here. So my decimal is going to have to go in between that 4 and that 6. So looking over, let's see which one matches. This is my correct answer. So that means this is the next problem I'm going to have to solve. All right. So let's go ahead and do this one together. All right. So one thing you can do is you can write this down on a sheet of paper. All the work you need to show here is just circling and then showing your path along while you're doing it. You can do all your work on your sheet of paper. So I'll be doing up here, but go ahead and get a sheet of paper and you can do it on a sheet of paper. So here I have 16 and 8/10 times 4 and 9/10. Now, it is totally okay to check your work with a calculator, but I don't want you to just use a calculator for this. You can use a multiplication chart, have that up and help you if you need to, if you have some trouble remembering the multiplication. So I'm going to start first with the 9. 9 times 8 is 72. Carry the 7. 9 times 6 is 54. Then plus 7. That will give me 61. 9 times 1 is 9, plus 6 is 15. Okay. Now I'm going to multiply by the 4. All right. 4 times 8 is 32. I guess I'll show that. Four times 6 is 24, plus 3 is 27. 4 times 1 is 4, plus 2 is 6. Now I can add my partial products together. 2, 3, 12, 8. So I have 8,232, but I know that's not my answer because I still have to account for my decimal places. So looking at my factors, I have one decimal place here with the 8 and one here with the 9. So I have a total of 2. That means I need 2 decimal places here in the answer. So 1, 2. If I put the decimal right there, that gives me 2 decimal places. So this is my correct answer, which leads me to my next problem. All right. So continue working on this. Whatever you don't finish is homework. All you need to do is show me the correct path to the finish line. Do your work on a separate sheet of paper. And if you have any problems with this, come to office hours tomorrow.